Good evening, this is my video to explain the rule 18, 19, 20, 22. Rule 18, responsibilities between vessels except where rules 9, 10, and 13 underways require a power-driven vessel underway shall keep out of the way of and avoid impeding their navigation in circumstances, however, where wrecks or conclusion except she shall comply with the rules of the part. Rule 19. Conduct of vessel in restricted visibility. A. This rule applies to vessel not in sight of one another when navigating in or near an area of restricted visibility. B. Very vessel shall proceed at a safe speed adapted to the prevailing circumstances and condition of restricted visibility. A power-driven vessel shall have her engines ready for immediate maneuver. C. Every vessel shall have due regard to the prevailing circumstances and condition of restricted visibility when complying with the rules of section of this part. D. A vessel which detected by radar alone the presence of another vessel should determine if a close quarters education at developing an or wrecks of conclusion except if so she shall take avoiding action in a playtime provided the wind short's action consists of an alteration of course. So far as possible the flowing shall be avoided. Rule 20. Application. A. Rules in this part shall be complied with in all weathers. B. The rule concerning lights shall be complied with from sunset to sunrise, and during such times no other lights shall be exhibited except short light and cannot be mistaken for the light specified in these rules or do not impair their visibility or distinctive character or interfere with the keeping of a proper lookout. C. Light perceived by these rules shall, if carried, also be accepted from sunrise to sunset in the restricted visibility and may be exhibited in all other circumstances when it is deemed necessary. D. The rules concerning shapes shall be complied with by day. E. The light and shape specified in these rules shall comply with the provision of Annex I to this regulation. Rule 21. Definition. A. Masthead light means a white light placed over the fore and aft century line of the vessel, showing an unbroken light over an arc of the horizon of 2 to 5 degrees and so fixed as to show the light from right ahead to 2.5 degrees above the beam of either side of the vessel. B. Sunlight. Sunlight means a green light on the starboard side and a red light on the port side, each showing on the broken light over an arc of the horizon of 112.5 degrees and so fixed as to show the light from right ahead to 22.5 degrees above the beam on this respective side in a vessel of less than 20 meters in length. The sunlight may be combined in one lantern carried on the fore of center line of the vessel. C. Center light means a white light placed as nearly as practicable at the stern, showing an unbroken light over an arc of the horizon of 135 degrees and so towing light 3 miles and white, red, green, or yellow all around light 3 miles. B. In vessel of 12 meters or more in light but less than 50 meters in light, mastered light 5 miles except that where the light of the vessel is less than 20 meters to 3 miles, a satellite 2 miles and stern light 2 miles, a towing light 2 miles, a white, red, green, or yellow all around light 2 miles. See in vessels of less than 12 meters in light, uh, masthead light 2 miles and side light 1 mile. Stern light 2 miles and towing light 2 mile. White, red, green, or yellow all around light 2 miles. The insconspicuous partly submerged vessels or subject being toward white all around light 3 miles. Rule 22. Visibility of light. The lights prescribed in these rules shall have an indices and specific the section 8 of annexes to this regulation so as to be visible at the following minimum ranges: A. In a vessel of 50 meters or more in light, masthead light 6 miles, satellite 3 miles, starlight 3 miles. That's all.